So you open up your Facebook account or Instagram account, then suddenly you find out that your account has been suspended. This is exactly what's happening to me now. I mean, today when I pop up my Facebook profile and also my IG account, both accounts got suspended. So in this video, I want to show you some important stuff that I learned throughout this process of getting it back. And also I want to share with you how you can prevent this problem happen to you in your business. Okay. So three things we're going to discuss. Number one, what's the plan of action in case this happens to you as well. Number two, I want to show you how to best prevent this kind of situation ever happen to you, and what do you need to focus on, okay, from day one while you are growing your online business, especially if you are doing affiliate marketing or digital marketing like I'm doing. There are a couple things that you need to pay attention to from day number one. Okay, and number three, if you stay till the end of this video, I also want to give you additional resources that can help you best minimize this risk and also the damage if this situation ever happened to you. Okay, if social media platform ever ban your social media account. Okay, so I'm gonna give you additional resources that you can implement today while you grow your online business. So number one, what's the plan of action? Okay, let me show you first. So you can see from the screenshot. So this is my Facebook profile. Okay, and this is one of my Instagram account. Both accounts got suspended. So number one, the plan of action is very simple. The first step you need to do is appeal. Okay, because if you have been doing online business for a while, you probably already encountered this problem already, because it's not just myself, my business partner Nathan, some of our coaches, some of our students, their social media account sometimes got taken away for no reason. Okay, so the first step you should do is follow the instruction and also the process. Appeal, always appeal first. Okay, and because when your social media account got suspended, it doesn't mean that you are doing anything wrong. Most of time it is because the algorithm, AI technology, pick up something from your content or from your activity, and they determine that's a suspicious activity. Okay, and that's why the algorithm ban your account automatically. So what you can do is to appeal and request your account being reviewed by a real human, the support team. Okay, and most likely if you are not doing anything like that's out of the rules, you should get your account back. So if your social media account got suspended, don't panic, just appeal. Okay, so that's a plan of action. And number two, how to best prevent this happening to you. Okay, and what do you need to focus on when growing your online business? And this is the most important information in this video. We have to understand this. You don't actually own your social media account on any social media platform. Social media platforms, they consider they own your account. So they can ban your account, restrict your account as their sole decision. Sometimes there is no reason at all. Okay, whether that's TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, you can lose your account tomorrow when you wake up for no reason. So with that knowledge in mind, you got to focus on building your email list. Like I say, you don't own your social media profile, your social media account. But when you grow your online business, when you grow your social media following, your focus is how can you get them to join your email list? Because email list is the only and real asset to your online business. Okay? For example, if I do not get my social media account back, I can simply I can create a brand new account with 0 followers. By sending out one emails, I can get my current email subscribers to follow me on my new social media account. Okay, so you got to focus on building your email list from day number one. Okay, and second thing I learned in today's incident is that, especially if you are doing two platforms, Facebook and Instagram, I know some of you guys, including myself, like to link both together. Okay, link Facebook profile and also your Instagram account together. So when you publish content on one platform, then it can get automatically shared to the other platform, okay, for convenience. But here's the downside. One of these two social media platforms, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, if you ever get suspended, if you link both accounts together, then it means that the other account will be suspended as well. Okay, so you lose two accounts on two different platforms at one shot. Okay, so I want you to consider to separate your Facebook profile and your Instagram account. Okay, if you can do that, I think that will be able to better protect your business. Okay, so in case one account goes down, you still have the other account on a different social media platform, then you can still keep your social media marketing business running. Okay, so that's the second thing I want to share with you guys. And last point is that if you are getting started to building your online business, whether you are doing affiliate marketing, whether you are selling digital products online, I have this 3-day affiliate battle plan challenge. Previously, we sold this course for $17. Okay, but today I want to give you this course completely free so you can go through this 3-day process to learn how to drive traffic to your online business, whether that's using Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Okay, you're gonna learn our secret strategies, how we dominate all three of these platforms. Number two, in this 3-day course, I will also share with you a software that me and my partner Nathan are using in our business. Okay, so we build our email list while we publish social media content, and we have 365 days emails written for you to help you promote 15 different products. Okay, everything is done for you. You just need to set it up, then you are in business. So today I want to give you that 3-day course completely for free. Then you can learn all this valuable information, how we grow our 7-figure online marketing business at a high level. Okay, so you can click somewhere on this video or click down below, then you can pick up that free course, 3-day affiliate battle plan challenge. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Let's go.